Some relax with card games.
Your turn, Ariel.
Others relax with chaos. Let's see how relaxing this is.
What is going on?
Huh? Where are these animals coming from?
Cozy afternoon. Indeed.
Hey, stop that! I don't hear anything. Whoa! I take that back!
Animals just keep coming through! I'm exposed!
Let's help Wardrobe. Now we can get these animals home safely.
This pink seems enchanted.
Where are the animals going?
This arm was gonna blow!
Let's leave them outside! Huh?
It can't be. Gotta rebuild the dam!
You better put these on.
Darn it!
Really? It can't get any worse than this. That's gotta be it, right? Don't say it, Rapunzel. I mean, what else could go wrong? Oh no. Runaway foliage! What do we do? We need a sword! Or a machete!
Did someone call for an axe?
We have to get the animals out of here.
Before the ceiling caves in.
But how?
Now let's make this cinematic.